Hello, ladies. This is Lois 1593. Um, I got my first gift mail from a lovely lady called um, Latina G25. Thank you, sweetie. And this is what she sent me because I just asked her did she sell any of her mixes, and she just sent me some out of the goodness of her heart. But anyway, this is what it is. Um, she sent me some Myler. I don't know if you can see that very good because my camera's. This is my first time knowing I can actually do it on camera. Some Myler is so pretty. Different colors. And some stars. She sent me some stars. Very pretty. And some more stars. Let me see. Them was a pink. Oh, okay, them pink. That's like a gold. Can't hardly see it for the glare. I'm gonna have to figure out how to do that. Anyway, and this is some hearts. I haven't used it yet because I wanted to upload it if I used it. And what else? Okay, blue stars. Very pretty. I don't know if you can see it very good. Sorry about the glare. This is my first time, ladies, so please bear with me. This is pink beads. I love beads. I'm a bead freak. I don't know why. Ever since Benny Lou. I don't know. Anyway, here goes some more stars, which are different color stars, but they're like a more of a pinkish type. And some green stars. I'm sorry, my camera's like out of focus. I have to figure out how to do that too. But anyway, these are some hearts in the same color as the stars. I'm sorry, y'all probably getting flashes. And some more. I think they're the same color. And some more hearts. They are so very pretty. I can't wait to use them now that I'm on. That I showed y'all what she gave me. And these are some more hearts. Yeah, these are some more hearts. I'm sorry, ladies. They, I, I'll figure out how to do it. I'm so sorry. Okay, then she gave me some glitter mix. This is blue glitter. I'm sorry. Blue glitter. And this is like a turquoise glitter. A red glitter. Hey, hello glitter. Uh, like a orange or burnt orange like glitter. I'm sorry. I am so crazy. Okay. Martha Stewart, glow in the dark glitter. I don't know when I'm gonna use that one. Okay. This is glitter bling. This is so pretty. Look how it's blinging. I love that. I really, really love that. I love that. I love that. I love how it blings like that. And this is Janelle glitter. That don't bling like the other one, but it's still blinging though, ain't it? Yeah, Lord. Disco time. Okay, and this is Speculations Glitter Frost. That's pretty too. I like the way that glitters too. Look at my ugly thing. I'm gonna fix that in a minute. This is Champagne. Yeah, Champagne. Champagne. Yes. Look at that glitter. I love glitter. This is Bronze Tinsel. Bronze Tinsel. My computer's acting stupid too and don't want to come on. Okay. This is apricot glitter. Look at that. I love glitter. I love glitter. And she also gave me, excuse me, she gave me some sticker paper. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. I know y'all be talking about me. So let me see if I can hold one. Hold it with one hand and open it with the hand. Hold on. Sorry about that. Okay. Okay. Oh, look here. Stars. That's like a gold star. This is a silver one. Look at that. Oh, yes. And this is a definitely a woo. That's a blue one. This is a silver one. Even though it don't look silver, but it's silver. And that's red. And that's blue. And that is what she sent me. Oh no. Here goes something else. Okay. It's diamond dust. Diamond dust. Oh, I love it. I love it. Thank you so much. I will figure out what to do with it, but I love it. Thank you so much. She is so sweet. She is so very sweet. I appreciate that very much to get me started on these nails, because look at these things here, honey. They look pitiful. But anyway, thank you ladies for looking at it anyway. And oh, I'm sorry. She gave me some mixes too. I had to put it, I had to take it out of, I got this from Walmart. I got this from Walmart. But anyway, I took them out the bags and put it in the jars. And here they go right here. So we got a, wait a minute. I'm sorry. So we got, the first one is Singing the Blues. That's the top one. Then this one is Everything. The second one is Everything. Then Firestar. I'm sorry. Firestar. Look at that. That is beautiful. And then the next one is Glow in the Dark, Pretty in Pink. Wait a minute. There you go. Pretty in Pink. It's kind of hard to see because I don't know what I'm doing. Y'all just bear with me. Shooting Stars is the last one. Shooting Stars. Oops, get your ugly thing out of me. Look at that. Look how pretty that purple is. That is so pretty. I love all of them. Thank you so very much. Thank you, ladies. And hopefully, if this uploads, I'll be hopefully uploading some more hauls now. So thank you very much, ladies. Bye bye.